Assalamu alaikum everyone, peace be upon you all, and welcome back to my channel, Hyderabadi Cook in Canada. Today we'll be making Gajar ka Halwa sweet. For this recipe, you will need 1 kilogram of grated carrots, 1 cup of koya, 2 cups of sugar, which can be adjusted according to your taste, 8 to 10 crushed cardamoms, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1.5 cup of ghee, and for garnishing, we're going to use a few chopped cashew nuts and some koya. Okay. First, to a pan on medium heat, add ghee. Next, to the pan, add the grated carrots. Next, mix it all together. Mix until the carrots are softened. Now, add the milk. And mix well. Next, on medium heat, cover and cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes is over, check if the water is evaporated and the carrots are softened. If not, cook your carrots for another 15 minutes. After the carrots are fully softened, add the koya. Mix it all together. Next, add the sugar to the carrots. Then, add the condensed milk to the carrots. Mix it well. Next, add the crushed cardamoms to the carrots. Mix it all together. Next, add half a tablespoon of red food coloring. Now, cover and cook the sweet for another 15 minutes on medium heat. Once the Gajar ka Halwa is done cooking, take it out in a bowl and remember to garnish with cashews and koya, and it's ready to serve. This dessert is super easy and it's best served hot. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment down below suggestions about what you would like to see on our channel next. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.